number is 1718110-260. I'm from 12 X3 in Selatan. I want to say thank you to Mr. Asad as biology teacher. Today I want to tell you to know how to pregnant using the pass and how to know the gender using baking soda. The tools we need are fresh urine, to pass, baking soda, 2 drop pipette, and test pack for the accurate result. Let's get started. First, put the toothpaste into the cup. Then, drop some urine.
That has a volume of about 2 liters and a rubber pipe that has a length with 1 meter and a basin with a capacity of 5 liters. So what we're going to do is that we put the water inside this and also then inside the basin. And then we put the pipe inside this during it and then we blow this pipe.
Then,
and then we look at the water. When we look
stir it well.
If it's up here, we will multiply it
for a few seconds.
The distance between the lines are 250 milliliters. So let's get started. First, let's put water inside this basin.
If it becomes foamy, it means she's pregnant, and if not become foamy like this, she's not pregnant. Okay, for the accurate result, we use test pack. And now we are going to test urine with baking soda for gender revelation. And I have 2 samples. First, we pour the urine into the baking soda. Okay, if it's foamy and hissing like this, that means the baby is male. And if it doesn't react, it means woman. Okay. Any question?
Me. What hormones are there in the urine of pregnant women so they can react with toothpaste?
A hormone in the urine of pregnant person is human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG. HCG is made by placenta during pregnancy. The HCG test can be used to detect pregnancy. Thank you, that's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you want to send me some advice, you can send me into Nurrizka@gmail.com.